The Hasselmars habitat is a proposed design for a human habitation on Mars. It was developed in response to NASA's 3D printed habitat challenge, which was held in 2017. The Hasselmars habitat is a two-phase construction project. In the first phase, an external shell made from local Martian regolith would be built in advance by autonomous robots. The shell would be designed to protect astronauts from radiation and dust storms. In the second phase, a series of inflatable pods would be constructed inside the shell. The pods would contain everything that the astronauts would need to live and work on Mars, including living quarters, laboratory, SpaceX, providing high-speed internet to people in rural and underserved areas. It consists of a network of thousands of small satellites orbiting Earth in a low Earth orbit LEO. This allows Starlink to provide faster speeds and lower latency than traditional satellite internet, which uses geostationary satellites that orbit Earth at a much higher altitude. Starlink satellites use a technique called beamforming to focus their signals on specific areas of Earth. This helps to reduce interference and increase the amount of data that can be transmitted. When a user requests data, it is sent to a Starlink satellite, which then relays it back to the user's device. The entire process takes only a few milliseconds, which is much faster than traditional satellite internet. HoloLens 2 uses a variety of sensors to track the user's head and hands, and it can also be used with an optional hand tracking controller. The headset has a number of built-in speakers and microphones, and it can also be used with Bluetooth headphones. The HoloLens 2 is a powerful tool that can be used to enhance and transform the way people work, learn, and play. Pilot wearable sensors are devices that are worn on the body to collect data about a person's physiology or activity. They are often used in healthcare settings to monitor patients, but they are also becoming increasingly popular for consumer use, such as for tracking fitness or sleep. Pilot wearable sensors typically use a variety of sensors, such as accelerometers, gyroscopes, heart rate monitors, and GPS, to compound humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics. It is designed to be a versatile research platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as search and rescue, logistics, and disaster relief. Atlas is powered by a hydraulic system and has 28 degrees of freedom, which gives it a wide range of motion. It can walk, run, jump, and even climb stairs. Atlas also has hands that can manipulate objects, which makes it even more versatile. Atlas is a powerful and impressive robot, but it is still under development. Boston Dynamics is constantly working to improve Atlas's capabilities, and it is sure to become even more impressive in the future. SpinLaunch is a spaceflight technology company developing a kinetic energy up to 200 kilograms. Peak acceleration would be approximately 10,000 grain. If SpinLaunch is successful, it could revolutionize the space industry by making it much cheaper and more efficient to launch satellites into orbit. This would open up new possibilities for space exploration and commercial applications. Boom-free supersonic flight is a new aviation technology that aims to eliminate the loud sonic boom that accompanies supersonic flight. Sonic booms are caused by shock waves that are created when an aircraft travels faster than the speed of sound. These shock waves can be very loud, reaching up to 120 decibels, and can cause significant noise pollution. NASA and Lockheed Martin are currently developing an experimental aircraft called the X-59 Quiet Supersonic